Hi everyone, this is Susie. I've been getting some requests on how to care for roses. And I left this one grow and let the roses already start to die on it. Usually what I do is I go down so far to about 5 leaves and I cut the dead rose off. This one had for 3 years. This is a big rose bush. And the first 2 years I cut it way down, but this year I left it grow tall. But you can still cut them down, it gets bushier. And this one has like 5 leaves right here or more. And I clip it right there. And this one, let's go over on this side. This one gets cut right here. You can also get banana peels and some eggshells, crush the eggshells all up. And the banana peels, chop them all up, and you can put them around inside the dirt here, and that helps give them some nutrients. This one here, cut right above that 5-petal leaf there. And you can go down further. You can go way down here and cut all this down. It'll get bushier. And we got another dead one here. I'm going to go way down to here, just above that leaf there. Let's see. There's a bud there. I'm not going to touch that one. This one here is done. So I'm going to go down to about here. I'm just using regular cutters. Make sure they're clean. I'm going to cut that off. Let's see if there's any more dead flowers on this. Yeah, give it some water, and you can give it some fertilizer and everything. But the banana and the eggshells, crush them up good. Chop up the banana peel, just put it in with the dirt, and that'll help with it. Let's see. So this one here, right now, I'm just going to let keep growing. I might in the fall, or at the end of the summer, around the fall time, yeah, cut it way back more, and it'll get even more bushier. All right, if you have any more questions, write them in the comments below. And that's about it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.